Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umindirang ba ka jila Assam Himanta biswa Sarma. Kar pradrek leber arajar pausan ulong badan kami ka jila Meghalaya. Bari ka jila Assam Ïatreilang ringkat hapo ka jing ajumut jong ka sarkar India. Anak benta bandrat Dyngkhong ka jing kayi Drok hapo ka nga thaj te lamini. Hak jing kram bekilap thai ka boru Sarma ulong ling ba ka jing ajumut jong ka sarkar India. Bari ka jing Ïatreilang hapdeng ki bor pahara jong ka jila Meghalaya bari ka jila Assam. On selap ban penduk jat ka jing jilai jong Drok hak ni ka than.
You see that in our country, the joint action is always been calibrated by the government of India. States coming together under the leadership of a central government police force is good for us. But if we both state collaborated on our own without involvement of central government, that may not be good. So idea is that both Meghalaya and Assam and Nagaland can work together under the supervision of Government of India. You see, I am of the view that all the state governments is doing whatever is best, and this is a big menace. There are various modus operandi for the drug traffickers. I think if we keep on collectively attacking the drugs cartel, we are going to win the war. Every state is working, and I think we have lot of things to do more. We have to do more, and we'll do more.
Only
Kingpins are not here. Kingpins are across the border. They may not be in India also. So they only push drugs through various agents, and sometimes they come with big quantity. Sometimes they come with a very small quantity, you cannot even detect. But 10 people travel together in a railway train to Delhi, and everybody has half a gram heroin in their pockets. It is very difficult. So they have all the modus operandi. They can even take it by walking also. If a person from Guwahati start walking to Shillong with her drugs in his pocket, it is very difficult to find out. So they deploy various methodology. Police has to work better than them, and this is the way how we operate. Act is not hurdle, but as you know that even states like America today discussing how to stop drugs cartel, drugs menace. Yesterday, if you hear the Senate hearing, it was a central theme. So all is fighting. It is not that Assam and Meghalaya is fighting. All is fighting against the drugs traffickers. And it's a big business. And there will be many hidden actors in it. So it is a big thing. And it is not just like that you went to a place, you raid it, and you finish this off. This is a long battle, and you have to carry on this battle. You see, still I believe that Assam and Meghalaya, still drugs traffickers use it as a career. But they have other methodology also. They drop drugs to drone also. So even if you are not proximate to the Golden Triangle, they can still fly drones to any location. So it is a big game, and it is not that just by discussing between you and me it is going to be solved. Then if it would have been that easy, then it would have been resolved long back. But I believe this is a long battle, but you have to have your patience. You have to continue attack one after another. You have to keep on arresting them. If you have to keep on seizing drugs so that the economy is broken. So it is a continuous and sustained effort you have to do.